This is the LG 27GM950B-B Ultragear evo, and it is a monster, at least on paper. This is a 27-inch 5K gaming monitor, and it uses an IPS Mini-LED panel for $1,200. This sounds a little excessive, and I think that way as well. The more you think about it, the more this monitor starts to look less like a practical option and more like a niche product. Now let's talk about why. Starting with the gaming performance. This monitor has a dual mode feature that lets you switch between 5K at 165Hz and 1440p at 330Hz. For immersive, story-driven single-player or simulator games, 5K at 165Hz is the more reasonable option. For competitive games, on the other hand, 1440p at 330Hz is the way to go. As for response time, this monitor still uses an IPS panel at its core, so response times will average around 3 milliseconds, which is good enough for some competitive gaming. One tiny problem, however, is the screen resolution. At 27 inches, you get a screen resolution of 5120 by 2880 or 5K. This is a very high screen resolution for a 27-inch monitor, and it's definitely more demanding than 4K. A lot of high-end GPUs already break a sweat running 4K natively, necessitating the use of DLSS and other performance-enhancing features. 5K is gonna be a little more demanding, so make sure you have a high-end gaming PC. Screen tearing won't be an issue with this monitor either, of course thanks to NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium. Let's talk about the picture quality. If you're running this monitor at 5K most of the time, you'll find that it feels a little smoother on the eyes, and that's because of the 5120 by 2880 screen resolution. This resolution is on par with Apple's Studio Display, making the overall image quality sharp and clear. As for color accuracy, this one covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color space, which is more than enough for tasks or workloads that require high color accuracy, such as content creation, and of course, watching HDR content or HDR gaming. And speaking of HDR, this monitor is more than capable of displaying HDR content thanks to its typical brightness of 750 nits. As for the contrast ratio, while it is still an IPS panel, the contrast ratio on this monitor might actually be great since it uses a mini LED backlight. Now let's talk about the ports. This monitor has two HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 2.1 port, one USB Type-C port with DisplayPort alternate mode, and of course, a USB hub. Now this monitor currently costs $1,200, which is pretty expensive. You may as well get an OLED monitor. This is a niche product where you can combine both heavy gaming and heavy productivity workloads. The IPS Mini-LED panel ensures consistent color reproduction, of course, while providing better contrast for gaming and consuming content. You can do most of that with an OLED monitor, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're interested in this monitor, you may check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!